Hey guys,
Saran wrap
today
some tables.
we're gonna be making some slime. I don't know what slime I'm gonna be making yet. Probably like tiger slime or something.
I'm gonna make blood slime.
Hey, look
I'm making like tiger slime.
All right. So
Should I make gooey slime?
Gooey slime.
We have all the ingredients right here. We have glue, shaving cream, dish soap, and activator.
You don't have to use soap. That's just to make your slime soft.
Puffy. Wait, no, this is to make it puffy. This is to make it soft.
all right.
Only shaving cream first.
So
Shaving cream
it's probably
first?
better to put a little bit of shaving cream first.
I can do my own shaving
Like that
cream.
much, okay?
Can I
Okay,
do my
guys.
own shaving cream? That much?
That much?
A little more. That's good. You can start with that. You can add more later.
Here we go, guys. And that's my shaving cream.
That much?
No, more.
That's yours.
More. That's enough.
And I'm putting
It's
in
Daddy's turn.
4 of these little spoons.
4
Be careful, don't spill it.
activator.
That smells disgusting. Can't wait to play with the slime.
Is that enough? 1 cup? 1 teaspoon? Or 2 teaspoons?
That's no. 1 is too
Oh,
much. Okay.
1's too much.
Nate, go get a spoon. For everybody needs a mixing spoon.
A mixing spoon. I'll go get that.
It's not to eat, Remy. Okay. It's not to eat. Okay.
This
Everyone?
Yeah, everybody needs a spoon to mix their bowls.
And we're out of mixing spoons.
is that him? Glue. Some
Yay. Now let's mix. It's getting all slimy and gooey already. Look at that.
Look at him, guys.
All right, Remy. Can I
Whoa.
help you?
When I'm done playing with this,
We're
when
gonna
it's
try to
ready,
squeeze it.
I'm
We're about to put it in our
definitely
hand.
It's already really sticky.
Wow. I'm scooping it up. I'm scooping out my slime.
I'm
My white gooey slime.
You like slime?
Oh,
Now look.
oh,
Put it in your
hey,
hand.
slime. Get back here.
It's sticky.
It
What does it need? Do you need to add more of something?
I don't need to add more of anything. Mine's just nice. Mine's just a little. I think I need more activator.
Think you need activator?
Yeah. This is get out. Good thing we have that there. I just dropped my slime on accident.
What's the dish soap for?
The dish soap makes it all puffy and good.
So do I need to put some in there?
I'm gonna put some in.
You don't have to. It's just gonna make it soft.
Just experiment with what you want your texture to be.
Rubbing in my dish soap. Oh, it's all slimy. What?
You don't eat it. Yuck.
What?
Yuck. Yuck. Did you need more activator, Nate? You shouldn't. You probably had too much activator. Because remember, you did 2 teaspoons.
No, I did 1 teaspoon.
You did a whole tablespoon. You did a big scoop, right?
Mommy,
And
I
that's equal to
can't do
3
my-
teaspoons.
I
So it
can't
might
do
have
my,
been too much.
1 tablespoon.
can't do my soap.
Okay, hold on.
Wow.
Okay, there it
Whoa, look at my hand.
I don't.
Oh,
Sometimes I think it's just letting it sit there for a second too makes it feel a little different.
wow. So sticky.
So sticky.
Oh, it's so gooey.
Do you want to add shaving cream?
Yes, I want more shaving cream.
And I want some food
Put it in
coloring. I want some food coloring.
We'll do food coloring after we get our good texture.
Oh, the shaving cream makes it not sticky.
Yeah, that's what it
I thought the activator made it not sticky. Yeah, it's
That better?
nice.
Mommy,
What?
can I have some more shaving
So
cream?
soft.
Yeah?
Whoa! Just slipping out of my hands. Squeeze.
Rub it in.
Squeeze. It's not that stretchy.
think that's the
Bye-bye.
I
Give me
love
that.
slime.
Move it to the table.
I want a bit more glue.
You want glue?
Glue. I like to have big pieces of slime.
Yeah, this is the best slime ever.
So after I put in more glue, I'm going to need some more activator.
My slime.
More slime?
Put that glue in there. Glue. Now I'm going to need some more activator.
I'm gonna get some.
Oh,
we're
shiny!
Do that much.
That much activator? Oh. Here. Oh, that's so nice.
You ready for coloring?
Yes, I am ready for coloring. I know exactly the color I'm going for. I'm going for green because that's the color of slime.
I'm going for red because that's mine.
Daddy's isn't even sticking to them. I'm getting some more string clean up in
I
here.
have greens, I have blues.
I want some greens.
I want some
That's
reds.
about it. I only have green and blue.
Okay, then I'll get.
That's just
Blue.
yeah.
Do you have red?
Yeah.
Nope, I'm down to green and blue.
Blue. All blue.
Green. There we go. So mix it all up. Oh, God. It's getting all nice and green up in here.
Mix it all up.
Dad, what colors?
I have wanted to make slime for so
Blue or green?
long.
Green.
Oh my gosh, it's getting so.
I thought Daddy was going to say blue. Apparently he said green.
Remy, you want color? You want blue?
No, wait.
Green?
Yeah.
I'm going to add some more dish soap.
No.
Mommy has to do it. We're going to do a dot there, a dot there, and a dot there.
It
Now-
stretches so far.
No, don't touch it.
Hey, look.
Here. And then you smash it in.
Here.
It's making
It's
colors.
so fun. It's so fun to
You
play.
got it?
Try slime at home.
This is so much
Because
fun.
we showed you the ingredients.
Whoa, look at my hands. It's all blue and not.
Mine's all green.
Look at mine. It's not that
Can I help you
messy.
with it?
Wow. Mine is super
I think this would be the end of this
Wow.
video.
Nope.
Look at all that green. Dab it on your fingers. It got it on your
I'm the
fingers.
only one that has blue. I love slime.
Ah.
Here, Remy. Put your hand out like
Can I
that.
have more food coloring?
Yeah? Hold on.
Green.
I'm getting
I'm gonna
all
have
the
green
coloring out
and
there.
blue.
Right there.
Can I have more food coloring? I want green.
You want green added?
Yeah,
I
I want
want
green.
some more green, and then after green, I want some blue. Alright, rub this in. Once this is all done, then
Is this
I'm gonna rub in
green?
some blue. Oh my
Is this
goodness.
green, Mommy?
Yep.
Look
Okay.
at this.
More of it.
My hands are so green, you guys.
Is that silly?
The green is like covering all the
Daddy
blue
doing
up.
it too? Let me feel Daddy's.
The green is like covering all the blue up.
Yeah.
Look at my slime. The green covered all. Hey! Let's stop!
Is that easy, Beth?
Yes, finally, my hands are getting clean, and my slime is getting so soft and unsticky.
Braid it like a
Hey,
green.
Mommy, I need more blue because this brand turned green. I need more
You
blue.
need
This
blue?
is so
Yeah.
stretchy.
It turned.
I want some
all
blue.
Green. It
I
turned
want
like
some blue.
turned like all green.
There's my glue. Right, rubbing it in.
Look you!
Ew.
Wait, mine's turning all blue now. Wait, what?
I have some in my nose.
Is that a
Wait,
slime?
mine's all blue now. This
No,
actually
this is
looks
booger.
really cool, you guys.
Should we record Daddy doing what he just did?
Ah,
Yes.
Oh, Daddy.
why is it so sticky now?
It's like a force field.
Hi, Remy. You like it?
Watch this one.
Look at this line.
It's like a force
Ah.
field.
Oh
Don't be too messy. Daddy's got boogers. Ah, gross.
no. This is so
fun.
stretchy and so and all the glue off of it.
Look at my hand. It's almost
missing.
clean. It's almost clean.
Now you can take your ball and wipe it in your bowl, and it might take off a lot of the stuff that's left in your bowl too.
We try to have these kids clean up after
Look at.
we
Look
do.
at.
Look
at
Oh, that is
It looks
so
It's not
sad.
blue. Look, in the camera it looks like green, but it
like
looks
turquoise.
yeah, mine's like turquoise.
Yeah. Do you want a little more shaving cream? Yours looks a little runny.
Yeah.
Oh,
Stop.
Shaving cream.
I put in some. Okay, so apparently this makes it really slippery and nice. When it dries, it feels really good.
Oh yeah.
I love the dish soap. Did you even put any dish soap
Look,
in?
you can roll it.
I'm gonna
It
put.
makes it feel super
Nothing?
soft.
Okay.
You trying to get off your
Look how
hand?
sticky my hand is getting.
Here.
Ooh, oh, they're getting sticky again, Jenny. From all the shaving cream, it makes it super sticky.
Try to slice through this.
There you go.
I like more shaving.
Look at this. It's so fun. Hashtag slime fun.
Mine
Wanna
is
add more shaving cream to yours?
Yeah.
Now roll it in.
Remy actually got some slime.
If this taught you how to make slime, make sure to make slime. Because it is amazing. So we
Yeah.
end this video now.
No, we're not done. We need to wash our hands
Fix your chair.
before I can press that button.
Oh no, I'm never gonna wash my hands. This is too fun of this.
It's too fun.
It's way too fun.
Oh man.
You don't
Nate,
need that.
can you put some more glue in mine?
Glue. I mean,
Yeah.
James wants more glue. That's taking a while.
I mean soap.
So,
Dish soap.
Yeah.
Well.
This is so much
did you
fun.
put dish soap in yours?
That it makes it really soft. You
Look,
should
I
try.
made green spaghetti.
I made blue spaghetti.
I made whatever this color is.
Wait, no, I made turquoise.
I made whatever color this is.
Is it like a circle?
It looks green and also blue and also turquoise and
This
also
is
everything.
so much fun to play with.
It's super fun. Make sure you make slime at home and we'll see you all next time. Goodbye.